see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Bilis, no? Good morning. Last breakfast dito kila Tita Ray's.
Late kami nagising.
Oh, late. Kasi late din natulog. Manners? Pwede ka 2 years old.
Look at her, she's actually eating it. Good job, Mama.
You eat a lot, Baba. That's your
You have a
second
long day
plate.
today? It's gonna be a long day, yeah? Yeah, you have to eat.
Are you gonna play golf? As if you're the one gonna play golf.
Mom,
Yeah.
you're gonna use that stove glove.
Huh?
You're gonna use that stove glove.
Oh, Holly.
Yeah, while we're practicing.
Okay.
No, outside.
Yeah, mana yang nak ikan
What are you saying, Baba? Okay, Baba, here you go. I'm gonna say to Mom.
Atal, meron pa na lang.
Yun na yun.
Sa Korea sila may... Are you finished your bed?
You finished? What do you want, barbecue for you, Dad?
Ang baba naman, ang baba namin. Uy!
Yeah? Yeah. Yan kay John, mga friends. Yes, honey. And kay Dan din. Barbecue kay Dan kay John tomato sauce yung linagay ko. Para sa breakfast nila. Ayan, kain na kami ni Rachel ng aming pagkain. Bacon. Tapos yung tira naming atay, tsaka giblets kahapon. Ayun. Yeah, and of course, beroka. And then, ito hindi ko naubos kahapon. Ang tamis kasi.
Tamis ba?
Sobra.
Okay, there you go. There's a piece.
Okay. Ayan, hiramin namin to and then nalagyan yung thank you. Yan yung binili namin sa IKEA na meatballs. Ang sarap.
On Friday. Do you know that? Yes. You come back on Friday and you'll stay for a long time. Friday to Monday. You know? Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 3 nights.
Mine.
Thank you. See you soon. See you Friday. See ya. How about Tito Dan?
Sit. Thank you so much,
That's
Dan.
all right.
I'll see you soon.
See you next week.
Yes.
Alright, good. Thanks, Dan, very much. No worries, see you Friday. Yep. Thanks, Rachel.
Hello.
It's so silly, it's still right. My little girl. So bye.
See you again.
High five to Tito Dan. Cuddle. Cuddle. Cuddle, Tito Dan. Cuddle. Kiss. Kiss. Good girl. Ayan, nakalis na kami sa bahay nila Ray's and dito na kami malapit sa Kuyonga and si Holly ayan, ako tulog. So yung golf lesson nila kuya is 3 o'clock, right honey?
What?
My pro.
No, that's 2 o'clock yung golf lesson ng boys.
Meters, I've got to turn Stanley Beach Road.
And si kuya kuya, meron siyang one-on-one golf lesson at 12. So, kaya maaga kami.
Mom, I gotta go for lesson at 12 o'clock, then 2 o'clock.
Yeah, you have 2 golf lessons. Kasi yung pangalawa, silang dalawa. Yung isa, one-on-one lang kay kuya for 1 hour. So yun, thank you again Race and Dan for accommodating us. And dun sa mama ni Dan, thank you. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Kasi nag-swimming kami nung kagabi.
Thank you.
Uy, kasi to, kasi she's asleep. Pagod na
Thank you.
pagod na pagod si Holly. Kasi, tingnan mo, tulog
And
siya
Dad.
agad, oh.
You don't know how to spell.
Kasi nga,
You don't know how to say.
Kasi, ano oras na kami natapos mag-swimming kahapon? Siguro 9:30?
It's Dad. It says
9:30 na ba yun? 9. Basta gabing-gabi na.
Thank you.
So, mamaya na lang ulit. And, kahapon, di ba? Yung, kahapon siya ng isang araw, yung yellow shades yung gamit ko. Hindi ko kasi alam, nandito pala itong Ray-Ban sa, dyan, oh.
Thank you.
So, may dala pala akong isa. So, yan, mamaya na lang ulit. Mali pala yung pinasukan namin nung una na yung punta. Dito kayo pumasok, mali pala pang exit lang pala yan.
Told you.
Dito pala dapat papasok.
I told you.
This one, golf club, and ayan, Kayonga. So, dito pala. Kaya pala, kung maalala nyo,
That's why.
that's right. Hindi yung bumubukas kasi, ano lang pa yung palabas. Nakapasok kami kasi mayroong lumabas. Right, Han?
We've had 2 people going.
Ah, oo, tama. Ayan, dito si Kuya.
We'll park here, right? And you can.
Ay, not here, honey, because, yeah. Here?
Yeah, then you can see.
Oh, dito na kayo, kasi dyan ang golf lesson ni Kuya, oh. Tapos doon kami dati, doon sa may
What do you
bench.
go the next one or what?
Yeah, yeah.
Of course you do.
Oh no, it's alright here, honey. It's
There's one up there
no,
with a
it's
black
alright.
car, then you can sit in that chair when you get out the car.
Yeah, later I can sit there, honey.
They're
I
not
can
going to be
walk.
putting today, babe.
Huh? Are they
I'll be out
not?
on the other side.
Okay. Doon na lang daw kami malapit sa my bench.
We're doing drivers today.
I don't know.
No, Daniel said we're doing drivers. Yeah, but to say
So dito tayo. Doon ako kahap. Doon, Han. Yeah, there's one.
Daniel said we're doing drivers
This one?
today.
Yeah, that one lang, Han.
I'll go this one.
He's much closer
I'm
nga.
going on the trees.
Bakit? Doon, mas malapit doon. Dito na lang daw. Siya na lang daw. So dito tayo magpa-park. Ayan na yung dalawang boys. Ayan na yung golf balls. How much? $4?
If you have,
Oh.
10,
How many?
$4.
$4 po. $4 ang ganitong karaming balls. Ayan. So, mag-hit sila bago mag-start. Dito pala kami nakaupo nung first golf lesson ni Kuya. Ayan si Kuya. Nag-change na siya ng golf shoes niya. Yeah. This is where we sat last time. Me and Holly. This is where I left my shades. Kasi dito, yung red shades ko na sinasabi ko, di ba? Is it your, this is my second. Third na pala ni Kuya. Tama. So, ito yung second ko dito. Si Kuya pala third na ni...
Me and Dad had to stay at the Quest Hotel.
Yeah, okay. Third na ni Kuya ang golf lesson dito.
And that.
So, yung first time namin dito kayo nakaupo ni Holly. And si Holly, hinahalukay niya yung bag ko. Kasi nga, di ba, mahilig siya sa bag. So, yun. Hindi ko napansin. Nahulog niya dyan yung shades ko. And, yeah, tinext nga ni Jan yung ano namin. Yung golf teacher niya na kung pwede i-check kung naiwan ko nga. Kasi dito lang naman nag-golf. Nung first golf lesson ni Kuya, dyan lang sila nagpapat. Dyan. So ngayon, siguro punta sila doon kasi may nakikita ko. Kita niyo ba doon? Ayan. Merong parang setup doon. So doon yata sila Kuya. So ayan, mag-hit muna sila. Nandun na sila. Yan, gising na si Holly. Dito tayo, Papa. Let's sit here, Papa. Come on. Come on. Ha? Mag-warm up daw siya. Papa, we're gonna sit here, Papa. Ayan sila. Wala si Sa. mag-aama. Kumakanta sa gilid ko si Holly. Ayan si Zach. Good job. Good job, kuya. Ayan yung golf teacher ni TJ. Ayan, dinapita na sila. So, ayan, mag-one-on-one muna sila ni Kuya. Then, for 1 hour, one-on-one. And, later, golf lesson nila at 2 o'clock. Ayan, yan yung golf stick ni Kuya na bago na nakasukat talaga sa height niya. So, yeah. First time ni Kuya yung gagamitin dito. Kasi dumating lang yan last, kailan ba yun? Basta ito lang week. Ngayon, first time niya yung gagamitin dito. Holly, dito ka, Baba. Baba! You're not allowed there, Baba. Baba, come here. Ayun na si Kuya, oh. Oh, nawala na. Andun na si Kuya. Is he gonna start now? Where? Inside? So we cannot go there. Good job, Zaki boy. Okay.
Maybe 4.
No, 40 pieces for $4. Are you tired? Huh?
Holly.
Hindi ko lang kung makikita niyo si Zach. Kumuha siya ng tickets. And i-scan niya or itatouch niya yung barcode doon. And then, ayun siya, oh. Ayan. Andun siya. Tapos, ayan. Pagka-scan niya ng barcode, ng tickets, ayan, lalabas na yung mga balls. Ayan, may dalawang buckets. Oh, good job. Ayan na, look at him. Kanina si Kuya. Ngayon siya naman. Kasi si Kuya nag-golf lesson na. Oh, ito na si Holly. Gusto mag-help. Oh. Ito na si Holly.
Imagine bowling out of it.
Huh?
Bowl out of it. Look there.
Wow.
Zach, too heavy for it. Help her. Help her, Zach.
Come on. Oh, para na siyang shoulder bag. Good job, Kuya Zach. Give me.
Hang on, Mum. Then you just give me some chicken.
Oh, you're gonna have a lesson as well.
I don't.
Oh, may golf lesson din si John dun sa ano, dun sa coach ni TJ. Oh, si Holly, oh. Holly! Are you tired, Zach? Pahinga si Zach. Ayan, mayroon pang isang basket na balls dyan. Pahinga muna si Zach. What are you doing? Yeah, just here, Papa. Oh, just here so Mommy can see you. See ya. Ayan, lumapit na ako sa kanila. Kaya si Holly. Shh, be quiet. Gaya-gaya din siya, oh. Wow! Show me. Oops. Well done. Stay here. Get another one there. Get another one, Baba. Shh, quiet. Ginawa na ni Zach yung kanya. Yan si Holly, oh.
Oh, we need the 7 on us too.
Yeah.
This map.
Huh? Wait, Baba, wait, Baba, wait. Alis ka dyan. Not behind Kuya Sak. Come here. Go next to Kuya Sak here. Andun yung shadow. Ayun, oh. Doon si Kuya. Nandun. Shh! Holly, here ka, Holly. Holly, here. Here, here. Holly, you're too far. Holly, you're too far. I'm not. But you watch behind you, Baba. Dapat pala dinala natin yung maliit na golf stick para sa'yo. Good job. Sinasayang mo yung ball, anak. Ba't ka kasi ang lumalayo, Holly? Doon ka naman. Ang layo mo naman sa kanila. Holly, you're too far. Only here. Nakita niyo yung shed doon? Yung may puti. Andun sa dulo, sa last. Hindi niyo yata makita sa yung isang natin. Ayan, doon si Kuya. Sa loob ng shed na yon. Tapos doon siya, hinihit niya palabas yung ball. Huwag ako makita niya. Andun si Kuya, oh. Wait, si Jan muna. So, andun si Kuya sa loob ng shed na yon. Doon siya nag-hit ng ball palabas. Si Holly, nandun na siya, oh. Nandun na si Holly, oh. Nagpahinga na siya.
Have that one.
Close it.
Where that one?
Which one? Ah. Oh, nakita niyo yung arrow daw? Dapat nakaline yung arrow dun sa ball. Okay. Wait, Nak. Sorry. Okay. Good job. Bilis isak ng water and Powerade.
Mate, it's just a charge.
Nauhaw siya, oh.
$11, $10, and $9. That one, that's $12. That's $12.
Okay.
Just get a bottle of water and a Powerade.
Powerade.
In the byway? Yeah.
You can
No.
have some of that.
Yan si Zach. Dala niya na yung kanyang tubig tsaka Powerade. Tingnan mo si Holly. Holly, only a little bit. You're not allowed. That one, Baba. Parang naglaro ka naman ng si Kuya. Tapos na yung golf lesson niya na one-on-one kay Danya. Ngayon si Jan naman ang mag-golf lesson.
I'm not having a lesson.
Oh, not today, Zach. No, that's not yours, Papa. No, that's Kuya's token. Ayan, tapos na si Jan sa kanyang one-on-one golf lesson. So, anong oras na ba? 1:35.
Oh, so that's why you're going out onto the road. Can we get more golf balls?
No, man, you were doing this, TJ. You're like leaning forward, trying to feel the weight on the back of your foot, mate. Like that. And just stay on the back of your foot.
Dad. Look daw. Wow. You're gonna get another ball?
Yeah, okay.
Wala, ang dami na. How many balls na yun? Una, 40. Tapos, another dalawang 40. Tapos si Kuya nag-80. Tapos ayun na naman, kuha na naman siya. Ayan na si Kuya. How many pieces? Dahan, 80? Or 100? 80? Ayan, another 80.
Huh?
Ang,
Yeah, bring it over on the flat, mate. Holly, leave them.
leave him, Baba. Strong, Baba.
Yeah, put them down.
Freedom, Baba.
I did one thing.
Okay, just sharing is? Ano?
So away from it.
Sharing is caring.
Give me one.
More for you.
TJ, get your bag, go over there and golf ball.
You bring the golf balls over.
Okay, give Holly one. Another one sock.
Give him two, Jack, hurry up.
And
Don't eat them all.
Yeah. And give Holly.
Mate, save them.
Did you bite?
It's too spicy. Holly too. Give Holly too. Oh. Kiss Kuya Saki. Oh, Kuya Saki, kiss ka daw. Oh. Okay. Kiss Kuya Saki. Lips. Good job. Mommy too, please. Ayun si Kuya. Magpa-practice na naman siya. Ha? Wait for you. Yan, tinuturuan siya ng daddy niya. Ano si Holly doon? Holly, come here. Diba? Nag one-on-one na yan, pero si daddy niya ayan pa din. Kasi may maling ginagawa si kuya eh. Well done, Dad. That was far. Hot. Baba. See, that's nice, Kuya. Well done, Baba. Show Mommy nak. One. Okay, show. No, you. Ayan na sila. Siya ang taga-clap. Good job, Baba. So, still, ini-aim nila makapasok doon sa round na yon. Doon, ayan. You gonna play golf? Where? Yes. Who? Who?
A bit of here and see a bit of then bit of here, bit of here.
Okay.
Then a bit of here.
Yes. Is it? Layo. Wow, it's on the green, hon. Good job. Come on, Baba, here. Ayun na yung mga bata, oh. Lumabas na sila sa shed. Andun na sila, oh. Ayan. Ayan siya dyan, ayan. Lapit kami ni Holly dito. Ayan si Sak. Be quiet, Sak, or Holly, ha? Ayan si Sak. May linagay na towel sa golf club nila. Ito yung shed. Oh, diyan kanina si Kuya. Nag one-on-one. Tapos ngayon dito naman ulit sila sa ano nila, golf lesson nila.
Good. Going over right. So what we're hearing is everyone hitting the ball a lot more often.
Holly. Ito mo si Holly. Tabi naman siya kay Kuya Sak niya. Oh. It's alright, Kuya. Good job, Kuya. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung patawal na yan, pero yan, ginagawa nila yan. Good job, Sak. Well done. Take turns silang dalawa. What are you doing, Baba? Habang nag-golf lesson sila, Kuya, andito din siya. Bored ka na, Nak? Inaaliw niya lang yung sarili niya, oh. Habang busy ang mga boys. Ando si Kuya, and eto pa rin si Daddy. Yan, tapos na siya. Yung dalawa hindi pa. Come on, Baba. That is finished. That's hot. Hot. Airplane, Papa. Bye-bye. What's that, Papa? What's that? Baba, here, Baba. Hinihintay na lang namin yung boys matapos. Ayan na sila. There's Kuya. Tapos na sila. 3 o'clock na kasi. 1 hour lang naman yung ano nila eh. Lesson.
Bye. Hello, boy.
How'd you go?
Yeah, hot dog pudding. I made it up. Hot dog red and the pig's blue.
What's that mean, honey? The
Other...
other...
Bag your tops up.
Dad,
Ano daw si Kuya?
like choose old boys.
May, ano si Kuya? May talking. How about you na?
I just got one.
It's alright. Walang talking si Zachary
Had
boy.
them alright. A couple of nice ones there.
What, 6?
Yeah. Did you remember not to lean forward in your swing? You gotta stay back.
I
a bit.
didn't see anything go out that way.
Went alright?
Well, one of them went out that way into the
Yeah, righto. Just gotta do a nice swing, mate. Don't get a hard, nice swing through the ball and it'll
Thanks, Kuya Zach.
do it, mate. Here,
Let's
you have
go.
your hat on too. Here, Holly.
Pack up na kami.
What? I know I have one. Dad, get the bag.
I got it, Kuya. Your lazy bum daw, Kuya Zaki boy. Put in your pocket, Mac. So, uwian na. Oh, Baba, come here, Baba. Come here, next to Mommy. Oh, good job, Kuya. Good job.
Here, boys.
Here, honey, Take your shoes now, na.
Stop it.
Ay, hawak ni Kuya si. Huli kasi may car na lalabas.
You take those on tape.
Wait, because... Here, honey.
Can we stop after? Can we stop at that servo?
Yeah, we can, because I'm hungry.
Babe.
That's right. That's... Balik na dito si Jan. Pangatlo niya na itong balik. Diyan siya lagi dumadaan, no, sa exit. Lagi. And ngayon, niya lang na-figure out na doon ang entrance. Wala kasi lang na entrance or exit. Exit dito, entrance doon. So, ngayon, alam niya. Nakamababa, let's go. Let's go.
Shout out Podcast.
Solden May,
Zelda May.
Katikista.
Katikista.
Maria Julia,
Maria Julia.
Aplaya.
Aplaya.
Carmi Joanne,
Jamie Johan.
Ubaob.
Ubao.
Lotes,
Lotus.
Abatayo Palen.
Abatayo Pollen. Rieren.
Abatayo Palen.
Abatayo Pollen.
Paradise, tell me who you seek.